Oh my god. Hello guys, look at this how it really is.
Don't look at you.
Major! Major!
Major.
Major, come look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. He's not camera shy. He's my best friend. Apart from the budgies. He's my little friend.
Not camera shy.
Major!
Are you going to come for a walk with me in the morning with Major?
Yes. This is his owner, my mom.
Don't put me on.
She's camera shy. And this is Major. Are you snuggly? Are you adorable? Yes, you are. You want the rubs? You want the belly rub? He loves the belly rub.
He gets all this attention. I don't know what to do with Dog.
Dog just love. We're watching Everyone Loves Roman, I guess. I'm just gonna sit here. Yeah. What's your name, mate? This is the face of a killer. No, Mommy, look at the camera. This is the face of a killer.
I can't see with your hand.
This is the face of a killer.
It's not on there. Show me the picture you've got.
No, I'm gonna show you the YouTube video.
This is the face of a killer.
This is the face of a killer. He's going to kill everything.
Okay, Fluffy.
Excuse me.
Fluffy.
Got 1 or 2. 1. 40. 1 or 2.
I need to get my
Gotta go. Wait, come here. Stay here. Stay there. Say hello. This is my dog. He loves all the attention. Attention-seeking dog. Got attention-seeking disorder. He loves belly rubs. That's what dogs love. They feel good belly rubs. Dogs are the most commonest creatures. What he has in him? Jack Russell, sausage dog, and something else. I think. Mom, what do you think he's got in him?
Bitch hound.
No, this is filming. There's a law that we can't swear on YouTube. Guys, just block ears on that one.
He has Bass Hound.
Bass Hound.
Red Cattle Dog.
Red Cattle Dog.
Foxy.
Foxy.
Terry.
Terrier.
Sausage
Dog.
No, not Sausage Dog. Bass Hound.
But how come he's so long?
That's Bass Hound.
Bass Hounds are so long. Here, you've heard it, folks. Sausage Dog is the tiny wiener things.
Red Cattle Dog.
Is that why he's so big? You look at the camera. Rachel, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Rachel, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
He's put his eyeliner on this morning.
Yes.
Look, he paints every morning. He paints his eyeliner
He paints
on.
his eyeliner.
Every morning he does this.
Every
Before he gets up out of bed.
Yeah, that's why he's so popular. And did you hear him go sound like a pig? That's not camera. That's not the camera. He actually makes those sounds. They're so adorable, aren't you? My little Bass Hound. We didn't actually know what species he was until
We don't even know what species he is.
Until we looked at him properly when he was much older. We could tell that way because where we
Can you
got him.
take a picture of him and like put what species is this dog? Can you do that?
No, I haven't got that. But I haven't got the dog. He's. Oh, sorry.
His legs went in your nose.
Because I accidentally hit him on the nose. Sorry, boy.
Because it's
Sorry.
abuse.
Sorry. I don't know. How you know that Roman's a drone?
Am I mistaken, or does somebody here make a decent living now as a sports writer?
Say hi to the camera.
What you meant to say was, thank you, Dad.
That's adorable, Jordy.
I'm filming Major because I film all the birds all the time, but I'm not over here much, so I don't get to film the dog all the time. He's gonna be a new. You know how lots of YouTubers like PewDiePie has a pug, Dentian has a pug. Basically, lots of good YouTubers have dogs.
Jordan.
I might be a good YouTuber one day. He's my little friend. He's my little friend.
And I don't
He's
know,
9 years old. He's a very old dog.
don't know why you need to feel depressed and stuff like that,
I'm
Mum.
not depressed, I'm filming.
Because
Yeah.
you are going to be a fairy. Well, you already are. You're a
I've only got 2 subscribers, me and my sister. And yeah.
I saw.
His mom has got it going.
Oh, here we go.
Depressing TV. TV is so depressing. So is the song Boulevard of Broken Dreams. It's one of my favorite songs. We're kissing! I'm struggling. Why ya? Don't leave us.
Don't leave us.
I guess it's just me, Mom.
Don't leave us.
Guess what? It's so bright. Look at my. I think I've turned the sun on too much.
Jordan goes, I need Hungry Jacks. You got the hiccups, Sweet Pete.
Yeah, look, cats are even on TV these days.
Cats are even on TVs.
Yeah.
Dogs are on TVs.
Cats love each other. Cats kill each other. Birds and dogs, you can train dogs to be friendly with birds.
I would.
Some will kill each other, but some won't.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to organise so I can get you kids over here a bit more.
Tomorrow's video, we'll be doing a 10-minute thing, almost, on the budgies. So see you then. Goodbye. Wait, that's not 10 minutes yet. I'll just walk around showing you stuff. This is my dog, you know. This is a door. This is a plant. And this is a fan. That's a BMW. That's a dog wagging himself. He loves his attention. The more likes we get, the more the dog will be happy and more wagging his tail. So leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.